Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'm excited to show you how we can manage Journey Portfolio or Journey Atlas inside the Cemantica platform. So here we go. We are on the Cemantica platform. I have my two portfolio. I have my consumer retail journey portfolio and the shop journey portfolio. Let's open this one and see what we have. So here we have, the normal phases and stages. We can close the phases if we don't want to see it. And then I have all my master journey listed here. So you have this journey that you can move up and down or different stages, so it's very easy. And then you can see the status of my journeys, so review and validated, published. By the way, this is customizable, the status. All right, so here are all my master journey. You can see also which persona are associated to the journey. I can also add some icon and emotion for another layer of communication. All right, so here are my master journey. Then I have my sub journeys, right? If I don't like sub journey, I can reset the title. I can say level 1, for example, journey. I can add description, and then here you go. And then I can create, level 2, level 3. This is the way you want it to be. All right, so same thing here. I have the status, and then I have the regular information of the opportunity, KPI, and all the different information that are related to your journey portfolio. Then I can have a different view, your journey hierarchy, right? So here you have the master journey, and then you can see the dependency and how the different journeys are linked to each other. So if I open here, I can see also all the sub journeys that have been created. I can go as many level down as I want, but then it depends on what you have structure. So you see, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. If you want to have more information about Journey Portfolio, please write us to info@cemantica.com, or you can go to the Cemantica website, www.cemantica.com. All right, thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.